Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this case review for my Google Pixel 5a with 5G. The name of the company, Sucnakt. It's an odd name, S-U-C-N-A-K-P, but nevertheless, protection for my investment, and it comes with a screen protector, adhesive on the edges. It's not full protection, but I'm going to try it out anyway, and I'll let you know later. I'll give you an update on that screen protector. Yeah, I have one on there on my 5A right now, but it belongs to the 4A, and it's getting the job done, but I'm going to go ahead and try out the screen protector that comes with this case. And the case that's on here right now belongs to my 4A as well, and you can tell it doesn't fit correctly, but I'm able to use the fingerprint reader and the power button and volume rocker. You know me, it's about protecting my investment, so for me to take this device out and about and use it, I had to have some sort of protection. So what I have on here and with that case got the job done. But now I have the proper case and screen protector. And hopefully that screen protector doesn't cause any issues, being that it's not full adhesive, which I really dig, more so than just the edges having adhesive. Anyway, information over at Amazon, Sucnakt for Pixel 5a 5G with screen protector, shock absorption, anti-scratch, heavy-duty durable drop protection, cell phone cover, and got black as far as what I have, and you can actually get blue as well. So let me zoom in on that. There's the blue, there's the black, both $8.98. Not a lot to pay to protect your investment. Now I do have other cases coming from a few companies that I have the privilege of working with. Huge shout out to them. And yeah, man, huge shout out to Google, hashtag Team Pixel, for sending me the Google Pixel 5a with 5G. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open up this package. We're not going to do wireless testing because we do not have wireless charging on the 5a 5G. All right, so you got dust absorbers. Got over here, and you got your wipes and the case right here. Nice texture, matte feel on the inside, and nice grip on the outside. I love that ridge design. Feels really nice and solid. Flexible TPU case, cut out for the fingerprint reader and the camera area. Covered buttons for the power button, volume rocker, and on this side nothing. At the bottom, cutouts for your mic, USB Type-C charging port, and your speaker. So mic, speaker up top, headphone jack, and your other mic. All right, so let's go ahead and do a quick wipe down on the back. I'm going to use this little grippy pad, take off the existing screen protector here, and this is what the screen protector looks like. So you're going to have adhesive on the edges, top, bottom, sides, cut out right there for the camera, the front-facing cam. Very nice. And a little cutout right there, the bottom. Or no, that's at the top. Wonder what that is. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this done. Won't take too long here. Yeah, turning off your device to install a screen protector, whether it's film, wet, glass, it just works a lot better that way. So I don't use the dry. Yeah, that's an oddball name, Sucnakt. If you know how to properly pronounce that, you can let me know down below in the comment section, man, because it's just odd. It says best quality case, mobile phone accessories. I don't know about that, but $8.98, not a lot of money to fork out. And because if you drop any smartphone, man, you know, even if you have a case, nothing's guaranteed, but you're better with than without, right? You just don't want to damage, or at least if it gets damaged, hopefully it's minimal. All right, so then we'll, and then we'll do this. If I can appreciate you all hanging out with me as I go through the process. Yeah, I like to feel that case. Lots of grip, lots of protection. Again, I'm looking forward to the other cases that are being delivered to me as we speak. You can do this as much as you want, man. As much as you want. You can do this for a minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, man. Nobody can stop you. Whatever makes you feel good about this process. Just take your time, be patient. All right, and then I got to see where that camera hole is. I think I got it. Oh, you know what? I was wrong. That is full adhesive. Sweet. Sweet. Okay, it's a little off down here, though. So I'm going to have to pull this up, which I hate doing. I think that will be just fine. Yeah, that is a full adhesive. Look at that. Wow. Very nice. Sucnakt. Totally digging that. I was wrong, man. Usually when you see the dark edges, it's typically going to be just adhesive on the edges. So I was wrong. And I'm glad I was wrong. Yeah. Loving it. 2-in-1, man, for $8.98. Can't beat that. Gotta squeeze out the bubbles. And then we'll turn on my Pixel 5A with 5G. And we'll get a good look at all the other areas. Well, I guess we can just get a good look right now. You can see the power button. Now, the power button and the volume rocker are textured. They're ridged. So that feels really good. Yeah, man, that is nice, man. That just feels great in the palm of my hand. Power button, on, off, on, off, on. Fingerprint reader, really fast. Look at that, man. Fingerprint reader, bam. Volume rocker, nice and responsive. Down at the bottom, your speaker cutout, your USB Type-C, and your mic. I showed you this earlier, but I'll show you again. Mic cutout, headphone jack. Loving it, digging it. And you got this ridged, textured top area here surrounding the fingerprint reader, which has a lot of depth. The camera area, those all important cameras, so you can take great quality pictures and shoot great quality video. You're going to need protection, and you got a lot of depth in there, man. A lot of depth protecting that area, and very spacious. So whether you're setting down this way on a flat surface or the surface is a little bit rough, you're going to be fine. Please use your discretion. On the front, plenty of lip all the way around. That is nice. All the way around. Lots of depth there. So set it down that way too. If the surface is a little rough, you should be fine. But again, use your discretion. Yeah, either way. But I think I'm going to, I typically set down like that. All right. Yeah, that looks nice. At the top of the case here, a little area that's recessed to allow you to see your speaker there. So everything works there as far as that area, because it doubles up as your earpiece. So phone calls, you need to be able to hear the other party really well. So again, that area is going to be recessed. That's nice. All cutouts will be precise. Digging that area. Yeah. You tell me, what do you think? Look at that. Whew. Is that the thumbnail right there? Bam! Yeah, loving it. Loving it. Sucnakt for $8.98. Cannot go wrong at that price point. And you get a screen protector that's full coverage. Silly me that I didn't know that. Cut out there around that camera area too. So that's not going to get in the way of your picture or video quality from the front. All right. Any questions, please leave that down below in the comment section. And thanks again for taking the time to watch. Appreciate it, man. If you are subscribed to the team, thank you for your continuing support. If you're not, well, think about subscribing. Hit that notification. That way you will be alerted when I have uploaded content for you to watch. And last thing, please share that on all your social media, all those videos. And with that, God bless, peace, stay safe and healthy. Boom, I'm out.